Hallo und willkommen. In today's video, we'll learn B2 Brief Schreiben from our B2 Schreiben section. Schreiben is obviously writing. In that, in today's video, we are going to see how to write a letter. What is the format of the letter? So I will explain you what is the exam task, important phrases, and we'll learn one full example letter brief. Okay, how to write it, that we are going to see here. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. I'll share one screen with you, then you will get to know. Yeah, now this is B2 Schreiben Beispiel. Beispiel is example. So we are learning brief Schreiben, letter writing, in today's video for our B2 Goethe B2 exam. Right? Okay. Now, first we'll see what is the structure of Briefschreiben. So we'll start with Einleitung. Einleitung is introduction. Start politely. For example, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, meaning dear sir and madam, or madam and sir, oder lieber Frau Müller. Now, suppose you are writing informal letter, then here it is you can write lieber, okay? And for formal letter, obviously it is sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Now, second will be Hauptteil. It is called as Hauptteil. First is Einleitung, that is introduction, and then comes the main part. It is called as Hauptteil. Now, explain the topic clearly here. Okay. So, you have to give reason why you are writing this letter. For example, ich schreibe Ihnen, while I am writing to you because. So, the reason should come here. Then the next one will be minor Meinung. Meinung is actually opinion. Minor Meinung nach, in my opinion. And that also you have to tell here. You have to write here. Ein wichtiger Punkt ist, meaning an important point is. Punkt is point. And then comes conclusion. Conclusion is called as Schluss in German. For example, ich freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. Okay, looking forward for your answer. Or vielen Dank im Voraus. Thank you in advance. That you have to write in closing. And then ending will be mit freundlichen Grüßen and your name. Right? This is the format of letter writing in B2. So just memorize this, learn this, and add then your sentences. But this is the actual format. If you write in this format, you will get full marks in B2 Schreiben. Now we'll see full example of letter writing. Okay. Now here Thema is topic. Beschwerde über einen Online-Kurs. Complaint about a online course. This particular brief or letter is regarding a complaint about one online course. Sehr, again you start with sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Ich schreibe Ihnen, I'm writing to you, weil ich mit Ihrem Online-Kurs zufrieden bin. I'm not satisfied with your Online-Kurs. Der Kurs sollte jeden Montag stattfinden, aber wurde mehrmals abgesagt. Meaning, actually, it was like about on Montag, every Montag. It used to be on every Montag. Montag is Monday, but nowadays, like lot of time, several times, it is canceling. Okay, you are canceling that particular online course several times, mehrmals. Correct. Then comes außerdem waren die Unterrichtsmaterialien nicht vollständig. Meaning, addition to this, the course material is not complete. Addition to that, courses are getting cancelled and the material is also not complete. Deshalb konnte ich nicht effective lernen. That's why I could not learn it, or I'm not able to learn effectively. Ich bitte Sie eine Erklärung. I'm expecting your explanation. Okay. So, and hope, dass Sie dieses Problem bald lösen. And this problem will resolve soon. Okay. So you are waiting for their explanation, and hopefully this problem gets resolved. This is all about the complaint for that online course. Then comes closing. Vielen Dank im Voraus. Thank you in advance. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Kabir. Okay, so this is the actual letter. Example I have given you here, and topic also one sample I have given. Now it's your homework that you go through any particular theme or topic and write your own letter within this format. This format should be there. Okay, so I hope this is clear with you. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel and you are preparing for Goethe B2 exam. And if you do this, or if you write like this in this format, I am sure you will get full marks in B2 Schreiben. So hope to see you in next video. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.